Hello, I am here today to play Minecraft. Okay. That's good. Okay. Banana. As you can see, I am playing. So, let's see what's gonna happen. Oh, okay, this was random. That's just my cat. Heck no. Heck no. Heck no. Help me. 3 triplets? Like, why? I'll grab this for the extra wood. Okay. There's a freaking iron golem and it's mad at me because I punched the villager. Oh my gosh. I'm so mad. Yeah. You probably know I haven't done this in a while. Well, like a fat minute. And yeah. This really is a whole village? That's it? Yeah, I'm on it now. Yeah, you get it. I just wanted to punch him. I like punching villagers. Okay. This village kinda sucks. What's here? Yum. A swamp. That biome. Frozen ocean. My brother is playing Pokemon. Of course he is. And then if we go over here, up here. Let's see, this is done sharing and a new series. I just left off from so far away. And I am no pro, especially my house building. Used to be way better until they added all this new stuff. Let's hurry and make this stuff. Wait, oh. Okay. Let's get these two. Why did I get a wooden axe? Because I need wood. Not just stone, so I might just live in the forest. Clear out a ton of these trees. Those trees are going to be annoying and helpful. Okay, should I do this? I already got a sapling. I'm just gonna put it right there. Whoa. I'll just put it right here. Let's build a house right here. I think I heard a skeleton. Okay, here's my little hut thing. I'll eat this. Ooh, apple. Nice. Cozy cabin. Oh yeah. I need to put one right here. Boom, boom. So I guess I will be going back to spruce biome. Might as well just go back already. Let's just hurry and get some more wood. Well, let's get this. And oh, oh, there. We got the spruce sapling. I'm gonna put some dirt out here. Like planting. I don't know. Just seems like I should. Is there a cave? Okay, while that stuff is growing, I'm gonna start digging. And let's see how long this will go till I find the zombie drones. But I don't even know if I'll find it. Like, come on. Okay, so is it this way? What the crap? I'm hearing it. I just can't find it. Oh, I'll hurry and just check later. Yeah, there's definitely something there. If this is a zombie spawner, I have the best luck in the game. Oh, wait. Wait a minute, I'll get that out of there. Let's get the old-fashioned spruce house. That's not. Then get the cobblestone. Then do I want to break down this tree? I guess so. mean, right now I'm just trying to use this for charcoal. Then open this up. And then grab this. Okay, so that's 1, 2, 3 already. Down to the like 30. That's out of the 30, that's just in the farming zone. Let's see what the crap is going on in there. Yeah, there's a cave, but do I want to enter it? Oh, gee. Oh. Okay, not now. Let's just build a house. Building a house. The ends. Oh, sorry. The end more stuff. Let's do this and plant these. Okay. Oh gee. Ah, 2 creepers? Oh no. Oh no. What am I supposed to do? More creepers? Yeah, I'm just trying to put that off. So it's just a mine. Okay, there's a ravine here. That's pretty nice. If people want me dead, I'm just gonna continue mining. Look at all that iron though. I'll find some on my own time. So let's just see what's down here and follow it. Got some diorite and just keep mining, I guess. Just not iron. We just keep doing this. We'll get enough cobblestone for the house. Let's hurry and just go up and see if